Welcome back to Old Studio Car, where every classic machine carries a story waiting to be told. Today, in the quiet glow of a fading desert sunset, we find ourselves face to face with a piece of automotive history that still stands proudly, decades after it first rolled onto dusty roads and rugged trails. Before us is a bright blue legend, a vehicle whose design speaks of simpler times, honest engineering, and a spirit built around exploration. At first glance it feels like the world pauses for a moment, giving this old machine room to breathe, as if the land around it remembers all the miles it once conquered. The shape is unmistakable, a short hood, a compact body, and that iconic upright grille with vertical slats staring back like a set of determined eyes. Its round headlights glow softly, almost as if the vehicle itself is alive, ready to share a lifetime of adventures. This isn't a vehicle built for glamour. It was never designed to impress with luxury or speed. Instead, it was created for purpose, for reliability, for resilience. It represents a time when vehicles had character, when their value came not from technology but from their ability to endure whatever the world threw at them. The blue paint, clean and bright, contrasts beautifully against the muted tones of the desert. It gives the vehicle a sense of youth, even though beneath that fresh color lies the wisdom of decades. The open cabin invites the wind to wander through it. There's no touch screen, no digital cluster, no automated systems, just the essentials. A simple steering wheel, basic controls, and two rugged seats designed to carry you anywhere your curiosity dares to go. It reminds us that adventure doesn't need luxury. Sometimes all you need is an open road, a sturdy machine, and a desire to chase the horizon. As we walk around it, each angle reveals a story. The metal body lines are soft, rounded, almost friendly, yet the stance is confident, hinting that this little machine was built to face rough terrain with quiet courage. The white steel wheels, thick tires, exposed suspension, and minimalist bumper speak the language of practicality. These isn't styling choices, they are solutions, answers to the challenges of mud, sand, rock, and uneven ground. And even though time has moved forward, and the automotive world has transformed dramatically, there's something refreshing about a machine this straightforward. Vehicles like this were symbols of freedom for generations. Farmers used them to cross fields. Soldiers depended on them in harsh environments. Families took them exploring across forests, beaches, and mountain trails. They weren't meant to stay parked. They were meant to be driven, pushed, tested. And the one we're looking at today seems eager for more, as if it's patiently waiting for someone to climb behind the wheel and crank up its engine once again. Imagine the sound it would make, a raw, mechanical heartbeat echoing through the open landscape. No electronic filters, no artificial tuning, just pure combustion and metal harmonizing in a way that modern vehicles can never truly replicate. Imagine the feel of the road, or the lack thereof, beneath its tires as it moves forward, bouncing, shaking, reminding you that the path ahead is real, physical, and untamed. This is driving stripped down to its most authentic form. In the background, the mountains rest quietly, almost acting as witnesses to the moment. They've seen countless sunrises, storms, travelers, and stories. And now they stand behind this classic machine like old friends reunited. The desert air carries an unspoken promise that there are still places left untouched, still memories waiting to be created, still roads waiting for the return of a vehicle like this. As the light softens and the shadows stretch across the ground, the scene becomes something almost poetic. A vintage vehicle standing alone, painted the color of calm skies, surrounded by land that stretches endlessly into the distance. It doesn't need to move to make a statement. Just being here, preserved, appreciated, and remembered, is enough. And that is the magic of vehicles from this era. They represent more than engineering. They represent moments, journeys, and dreams. They carry the fingerprints of history, the spirit of exploration, and the emotions of everyone who ever drove them. When we look at this bright blue classic, we're not just seeing a machine. We're seeing a reminder of what adventure used to feel like, and what it can still feel like if we let it. Thank you for joining Old Studio Car, where every classic has a story worth telling.